The Memphis Grizzlies are in a familiar position. 2 years ago, they were up 2-1 on OKC in the second round of the playoffs. Same situation this year, and they've got some all-defensive guys on the squad this time around, and Zach Randolph has a message for them before the game.
Hey, congratulations, sir. Yeah, well deserved. I got the tweet going out right now.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, congratulations. Well deserved, sir. Yeah, first team, second team, second team. Yeah, they showing the Grizzlies some love, you understand?
We do understand the Grizzlies deserve some love, but Serge Ibaka, doing it on his own this time, hits the jumper, his first field goal made in the first quarter this entire series. Now, later, second quarter, we're going to show you a little illustrated play. Kevin Durant's been playing a little point forward in this series. Watch Kevin Martin, an aware cut back door, and he provides a passing lane for Durant. And Durant gets it to Martin, who throws it down, part of a 17-7 Thunder run. Third quarter now, Mike Conley to Marc Gasol, who knocks down the J. He was 8 of 18 from the field. Later third, Gasol missing this time. Look at the hustle from both squads, and this one ends up in the hands of Tony Allen, softly in with the left hand. He was 5 of 9 from the field. A lot of contact, a lot of hustle on this play, and nobody hustles more than Tony Allen. That ties it at 74 fourth quarter, 6:15 to go. Reggie Jackson, what a spark plug he's been filling in for Russell Westbrook. 6 of 8 from the field, 15 points on the game. Later, less than 3 to go. OKC up by 1. Kevin Durant can't hit the little chip shot on the other end. Mike Conley driving the righty floater, goes down. And that's a good shot for Mike Conley, who led Memphis with 24 points. Later, Durant, no call on this play. His team down by 1. Memphis, on the other end, up by 1. And you see the Grizzlies trying to avoid the foul, but it comes, and it's in the person of Marc Gasol, who goes to the line. And Gasol misses the first one, in and out. The second one goes down, so it's 94-92. Advantage for the Grizzlies, but Kevin Durant erases that advantage in a hurry with the beautiful finger roll, tying it up at 94 apiece. Later, 6 seconds, 5 seconds left. Zach Randolph driving, working on the D, fading away, but his shot is blocked by Serge Ibaka. So this game goes into overtime, and we flash you back. No, Russell Westbrook isn't playing tonight. 2 years ago, we told you the Memphis Grizzlies held a 2-1 advantage, but they lost in triple overtime. Overtime tonight, you see Memphis up by 2. They go up by 4, courtesy of Zach Randolph, who had 23 points and 12 rebounds on the game. Later, Derek Fisher for 3, and he buries it. You see OKC's deficit down 1. Now that was Fisher's only basket on the game. Then Kevin Durant slips a little bit on his plant and can't hit the shot. Memphis still up by 1. They go to Marc Gasol. Look at this little shot. He just creates enough space and knocks down the shot. 23 points, 11 rebounds, and 6 blocks. You saw one of them earlier. Derek Fisher, a critical turnover. Tony Allen picks off the pass. Watch it one more time. Tony Allen playing the passing lanes and steals it. Fisher was going for Kevin Martin. You see the score. Memphis now up by 4. Kevin Durant, last gasp. He can't hit the deep three-pointer. Reggie Jackson hustling, tries to save it. Originally called OKC's ball, but the refs went to the replay, and you can see right there, Reggie Jackson touches it before it goes out of bounds. The refs correct that call. Memphis ends up with the basketball, and they would successfully wind the clock out. They win it by 6 and take a 3-1 advantage. Final score, 103-97.